Come on. Hungry bird. We'll look for... I'll show you how to find some worms over here, huh? Pinaka-hate na ako ng worms, ha? Pretty bird. Asa ta mangitaan ni? Yeah. Come on. Step down here in the dirt. Come on. I'll show you how to become a bird. Right here. Step down. There. There. There's a pretty bird. There's a piece. You wanna eat peas? Oh my gosh. Here. Oh dear. Oh, me hold these things. It's really awful. Come on, open mouth. You didn't open mouth, big. Ah. Okay. We'll find more. We'll find more. Goodness. Mura na gidaro ang ako ang ano. Ingita ugwat yan. Among baby bird. Here more. I really hate worms. Trust me. There. Oh, there. Oh, goodness. Yummy. Yummy, right? Move here. Oh my god, it's a big one. This is really... Oh. Okay, open mouth. Open. You're hilarious. You're a worm eater. Really is a worm eater. So we have to dig this dirt all over the place here to find worms for you. You know? Open mouth. Open mouth. Open. Open. There. Kurot ng watigang. Asa na taan ni manguhang watigang. Oh, najud ni the bird. Kurot ng wati. Asa na taan ni manguhas wati. Tara. Oh dear. Open mouth bird. Yee! Open mouth. You okay now? Aning mga lis kamote ani. Okay, that one is good. What? You okay now? You okay? Feel good? Yeah? Feel good? Here. Here. Come on. Huwag tang na. Oh. The worst job I ever had in my life. Ow. Ang dalo kayo. Okay, one more. One more. Guba na nato ng strawberry patch diha. Strawberry patch. Call your mother bird. Call. Squirrel ng tambalus-lus, oh. Wala, oh. Hey. Oh, goodness gracious. No more worms, bird. Now, you good? Come. Huh? You good na? Wala man din siya gi-cage kay luoy na siya i-cage. Now, doon na siya. Buhi-buhian lang. Sulukso. So, may tag food. Obviously, you want some more. Butang sa nato ning camera, may tatagwati. Hang on.